Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify your Intercom inbox routing with Help Center settings step by step clearly. Open your computer and launch your web browser. Navigate to the Intercom website and log in to your account. Once logged in, locate the Help Center option in the main menu. Click on Help Center to access the settings. In the Help Center settings, find the Inbox section on the left-hand menu. Click on Inbox to view your current inbox routing options. Review the existing inbox settings to ensure they align with your team's needs. If adjustments are needed, locate the routing settings within the Inbox section. Click on Routing to modify how incoming messages are directed. You'll see options for different routing rules, such as by team or topic. Select the appropriate rule that fits your workflow. Make sure to check the conditions that trigger these rules. Adjust any settings as necessary, ensuring they are tailored to your team's functions. Once satisfied with your routing rules, click the Save button to apply the changes. After saving, navigate back to the Help Center overview page. Conduct a test to ensure that messages are being routed as expected. To test, send a message to your inbox and verify the routing behavior. If issues arise, return to the routing settings and make further adjustments. Repeat the testing process until everything functions correctly. This will ensure that your Intercom inbox routing is set up effectively for your team's workflow. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.